Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly and suddenly, your car feels sluggish, struggles to shift gears, or even gets stuck in one gear. You scan the system and see code P0996 pop up. This code points to an issue with the shift solenoid J control circuit low, which means your transmission might not be getting the proper signals to shift gears smoothly. In this video, I'll explain what P0996 means, where the key sensors are located, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0996? DTC P0996 stands for Shift Solenoid J Control Circuit Low. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, uses shift solenoids to regulate hydraulic pressure and shift gears automatically. If the control circuit voltage is too low, it can cause shifting problems, transmission slippage, or even limp mode activation. Symptoms of P0996. If your car has this code, you might experience harsh or delayed shifting transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, jerking or hesitation when accelerating, check engine light or transmission, warning light, poor fuel economy, sensor and component locations very important, shift solenoid, J location, inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan, function, controls hydraulic pressure to engage gears smoothly, transmission control module, TCM, location, mounted on the transmission housing or sometimes under the dashboard, function, sends electrical signals to control shift solenoids, transmission fluid pressure sensor location, mounted on the side of the transmission, near hydraulic lines, function, monitors fluid pressure to ensure proper shifting, shift solenoid wiring and connectors location, runs between the TCM and the solenoids inside the transmission, function, transmits electrical signals to control gear shifts. What causes P0996? Faulty shift solenoid G, failing to operate properly due to wear or contamination. 2. Damaged wiring or connectors, broken or shorted wires in the solenoid circuit. 3. Faulty transmission control module, TCM, not sending the correct voltage to the solenoid. 4. Dirty or low transmission fluid, causing improper hydraulic pressure. 5. Bad transmission fluid pressure sensor, sending incorrect pressure readings. How to fix P0996. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure fluid is clean at the right level and not burnt. Contaminated fluid can cause solenoid malfunctions. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Step 3. Test shift solenoid, J. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If readings are out of range, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM, scan for other transmission-related codes that might indicate a failing TCM. If necessary, reprogram or replace the TCM. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code. Drive for 10–15 miles to check if the issue is resolved. Final words. If you're seeing P0996, your shift solenoid J control circuit has low voltage, which can cause serious shifting issues. Fixing it early can prevent costly transmission damage.